Hi natural hair girlies, how you all doing? You're welcome to your girl's channel again. So today we're making something that I know it is common, but we're going to have a twist to it. So this is a flax seed. I know we are aware of that. That's how the seed looks for those who don't know how it looks like. So that's flaxseed. Flaxseed has got a lot of benefit for our hair. So in today we're going to be making a twist with it with something that's going to be our special ingredients. All right, so this is my flaxseed. I put it on fire and I had to get out the gel, guys. You don't have to boil it for too long to get out the gel because it thickens with time. All right, so it got to steam for a little while, and here is my gel I'm getting out of this goodness. Please do not trash this leftover, that's, you can call it a chaff. Okay, this is going to be useful for the next hour we're going to be doing, which has to do with our hair pre-putty. You can use that. So I'm adding in my cocoa butter, I'm adding in my grapeseed oil. You can make use of any oil of your choice, guys, and that is some drops of rosemary oil. Yeah, that's my glycerin. I'm also adding into it, and then we are going to add our special ingredient, which is coffee. Have you ever tried using coffee for your hair, guys? This combination is a bomb, is magical, right? You can try this and let me know. Now we're going to dive into I added in some hyena. You can add amla or any other powder of your choice. You can add neem powder, whatever works for you, just to make a twist to this. Okay, and this is giving awesomeness, guys. So like we know, flaxseed has benefit for the scalp and for the hair. It promotes hair growth because it contains omega-3 fatty acid. Okay, it also reduces fixes and adds shines to your hair. Whenever I use flaxseed, guys, whenever I wash my hair, you see how it is glowing. It shines truly. Try it and let me know. So this is me taking off the twist I had on my hair, guys. Look at my hair. This hair is pretty long, but shrinkage makes it look like girl, you have to stay around my head, but it's fine. Okay, so this is me. I have to get my hair wet with my hibiscus spray tea. Okay, the videos are all on my channel and some are still coming up, so I had to spray that, because you're not going to apply the gel on a dry hair. And I got it parted into 4 different parts, and then I begin to work in. Okay, it soothes the scalp and prevents dandruff, strengthens hair, maintains scalp health, protects against premature graying. I have video on this, on what flaxseed, the benefits. A video is up here on my channel. Now let's dive into what coffee really does for our hair. So this goodness called coffee balances pH levels. Coffee is naturally acidic, which can help rebalance the pH of both the scalp and the hair, which is important for maintaining healthy growth of your hair. So if you want to balance your pH level in your hair, you can use this. So why I love it so much is that it works for both the scalp and the hair, not just for one. All right, it also detangles hair. It has the ability to soften shaft, and can easily to detangle your hair without causing any damage. It exfoliates the scalp. Man, using coffee ground as a scrub can easily exfoliate the scalp, removing dead skin cells and product buildup. So if you want to remove product buildup on your hair, please try using coffee to massage, or use it as a rinse out. Just use it and make your spray tea and you are good to go. It improves texture and shine, promote hair growth, stimulate blood circulation. Okay, coffee can increase blood flow to the hair follicles, delivering more oxygen and nutrients. This supports healthy, faster growth and can make hair appear fuller. So if you want a fuller hair, try using coffee on your hair, and this is good to go. I have more recipes coming out. Please try as much as you can to stay glued. Like this video, subscribe and share out. God bless you. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.